Vigan City Councilor Janina Medina Fariñas is a lover of the sun, sand, and sea. She also likes to spend the weekend to rejuvenate. So it's no surprise the Lady Politico spent her Sunday fishing and riding a boat with her family. The Politico's weekend fishing had been productive. There was the big squid. The most awarded catch was this fish that was almost as long as her body.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.